Maranatha, body the grace. When she look in my eyes, I shiver. But if you try, keep my defense. But if you like,
Hi cousin, welcome back to Rosie Live, your internet bestie. In today's video, we are talking about something super important, which is budgeting. If your money keep disappearing even before the month even ends, don't worry, I got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a super simple budget step by step. No stress, no complicated math, just a chill, easy way to take control of your coins. Just grab a snack, sit comfy, and let's dive into the video. Wait, first and first, how much money do you make? Do you actually have? Not the money you wish you had, but the real after tax money that eats your account. If you have a job, a side hustle, or even money from your small business, write it all down. This is the basic of your budget. Okay, now let's talk about where your money is running off to. Yes, we have to talk about it. Why is your money always running? Like the money is spending itself. Have you not noticed that? It looks like your money is following you to spend. So let's talk about it. And we are breaking this into two parts. We have the fixed expenses and the variable expenses. The fixed expenses is your house rent, your car maintenance, the phone bills. Fixed expenses is basically the stuff that stays same every month. The second one is the variable expenses. The variable expenses is your grocery, your eating outside, your shopping. It's that day that you have money that you know that the food in your house is not more delicious, it's not what you want. It's that mama put if you don't even want mama put. What is mama put? Yes, I see you over there. Come over. Come over. Now why are you running away? She's going to go and cut. Better come and sit down here. They are talking that you're cutting. You don't have shame. You that want to go and cut, go through your last bank statement. You are telling me now that you don't used to have budget. How will you have budget? I'm talking that you're opening TikTok to screenshots. What are you screenshotting on TikTok to go and save and buy? Okay, don't worry. This part might hurt you because you don't want to see it. You don't want to hear the truth. Go through your last bank statement and write it all down. That's if you even have something to write. But shall go through it. For those of you that have more income, because a lot of people, your expenses is more than your income, and it's not supposed to be. So you cannot save when your expenses is more than your income. Like you spend a lot more than what you earn. How? How is it possible? Are you a thief? Do it. Go to that bank and collect your bank statement for last month and let's know what to use the money for. Let's start from there. For us to tell the money to come back or it has gone, let us know. Always subtract expenses from your income. Cousin, please subtract all your expenses from your income. If you still have money left, it's great, it's nice. Now that money you have left, that extra cash you have left is for saving and investing and probably for fun. But if you are in the negative part, like that my auntie that want to go and cut when I was talking, in that categories, you need help. As soon as possible, you need help urgently. But you know what? I'm here for you. So I got you. So come and sit down. Don't go anywhere. Sharp pay attention. Okay, guys. So that leads us to our step 4. Adjust your spending and set spending limits. If your expenses is looking a bit wide, I know a lot of you don't want to hear this, but you have to. You have no choice. Come here. It is when you have money that you know that eating in the house is not a crime. Come here. Do you know you can cook that food in your house and save the money for Uber eating? And this one, all of you come. If I do for at the back that doesn't see space, please people should create way for them. Create paths. Let them pass. Let them come forward. Should I talk? I will. Don't worry. Please go and cancel that your gym membership, whatever. that you never attend. Go and cancel it. Like, why are you surprised? We know now. When last have you been to the gym? Go and cancel it. Please. Let's know where you stand. Let's know where your problem is coming from. At least those small changes can help you balance your budget without you being broke. You don't know. At least you know now. Please go and cancel it. There's no big boys or big girls in saving. Go and what? Cancel it and save your money. Step 5. Track your budget and stay consistent. Now that you have a budget, please use it. It's not like, okay, I'm going to save a small amount of money this month. I'm going to do this month. And when the month comes, you and the month will be looking at yourself like you are age mates. No, please stop it. Something again is try to track your spending with an app. Yeah, we have a lot of apps. Like if you're in Nigeria, if you have OPay, you have PalmPay. Those of you that say you cannot use those kind of banks, we have commercial banks. We have Wema. I use Wema. Yeah, try to track your spending with an app or a notebook. Nigerians, especially by my Yoruba people, yeah, agile contribution, like gathering money together. You can try that. It doesn't go with everybody, oh, but if you trust the people, you can try that. Or why don't you just go back to whole school? Yeah, Ikolo. I don't know what they call it in English, but you can save your when you put some money inside. Put some, why don't you go back there? There's no excuse for you not to save. Go back to those systems. If you decide not to use a bank, if you decide not to use a job, at least use that one, please. And don't forget to check in with your budget, please. It's very, very important. Don't forget to check in with your budget every month and try to adjust it if needed, please. So, conclusion, now that you have a simple, no stress budget that works for you, if this helps, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to put their money together. Our fellow brothers and sisters that spend lavishly. Let us come together and talk. Let's reason. And also tell me in the comment section, what is that one thing you are overspending on? So guys, please don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.